one.
Get one from Amazon.
I think I got a spare one. Do you want it?
Yes, please.
It's okay.
So gone. Ha.
I need it for like loads of other things anyway.
Okay, so our values will add 0.15 each time. Okay, let's now do the formula. So the formula, let's do TR for the formula. So BH, so 0.15 divided by 2, and then VF 0.5, and then plus 2. You can open brackets or not. I'm just gonna do 2 each time. So 0.5 plus 15, 6.5. I hope I'm doing this right. I have not done a Trapezium Rule question in years. And then plus 0.15.
I feel like Tom has the right idea.
What?
Why do you need a mixer, Tom? If you're a man, you just drink it.
No.
Stay in trouble.
No, Tom, don't leave.
Oh no.
No, Tom, no. That's what
That
you
doesn't
sound
sound
like,
like
guys.
me.
Yeah, that sounded like you completely.
No, that does not sound like me.
No, it doesn't sound like you.
Shut
No,
up.
that's not sound like me.
Shut up. Am I doing
Shut
this
up, Nathan,
right?
before I get to your house.
Shut up, Nathan, before I get to your house.
I'm only like 10 minutes away from you. Shut
It's
up.
you like a
I'm already like
domestic
10
up in
minutes
here
away
soon.
from you.
You're gonna hear
That's
Maz
not
leave,
me.
and then Timmy said you're gonna hear Nathan screaming.
This is my death. Then I won't have to do something stupid. Yes!
What?
Well, you dying is a bit stupid, isn't it?
So,
I don't think so.
okay, let's continue.
I'm pretty sure I'm doing something wrong.
I can't see what you're doing, so
Yes, you can.
it's really delayed. You've only just
Yeah.
joined the plus after the 0.8.
I
Are you
know.
guys actually listening to the stream? I'm only listening to your call.
Duh. There's
We're watching the stream as well. So
Yeah, we're watching the stream.
Listening to the call and watching the stream. That's why it's so delayed.
Maybe we should team view.
no.
Okay.
that
Let's
is
kill
so
Carlos's
unless-
internet.
Why are you laughing like that? It's scary.
Because it was funny.
I think I did something wrong. You see,
No one
the
logged in
N
to Facebook.
is the N the number of strips.
Yes.
So shouldn't I put less that?
But you shouldn't be doing it like this. You should be writing down each value.
What? I'm doing that next.
Oh, there's only 4 strips, so it's not that hard actually.
Yeah, but I get 5 strips.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's 5 values. Duh.
Wait, why have you got 5 strips?
I don't have 5 strips. That's the values. Shut up.
Okay.
That's why I was confused. Like, what? This is right. Okay, so
Oh, because of the 0th value.
yeah, because this is. Imagine the lines. Okay, I'll draw that. Makes sense. Imagine we had like the quadratic graph that looks like something like this.
How many percentage is the exam worth?
50, isn't it?
50,
Yeah.
I think.
Oh, fuck. I'm fucked.
Okay, and imagine
Please.
imagine this starts at
PG.
0.5.
I messed up. I'm sorry. I really should stop saying.
No, it's fine. 1.1. We're used to Sam anyways. And then we have 4
Why
strips.
is it always me? I don't swear that much.
Yes, you do.
Kind of do.
Okay,
Fuck you guys.
you guys watching, you should be doing
I'm
fn
watching.
minus 1 or fn. Also, perhaps you need to look at the Trapezium Rule. Wait, what?
I think that's supposed to be second.
You confused me so
Is
much.
it?
Oh my god.
What are you... What? Tom? What?
Oh my god, that made no sense.
Algorithms is 50-50.
Okay, so
Yeah, but we only need to get 2%, don't we? So it's okay.
we don't need to get 2%.
4%.
No, it's 2.
We're on 78. So we need 4%.
Oh yeah. Well, fuck, that's even twice as much work I've got to do now.
Oh no!
Okay, so
We have to get
basically,
like one question right.
this calculates the trapeziums, not exactly like that, but imagine it's like that. And then, yeah, and I get 5 values here because it's the line. So, first value, second
Go away,
value,
Tom.
Yeah, fuck
third
this.
value, fourth value, fifth value. And that's why I've
I
got
need
5 values.
lost.
Yeah. Why you lost?
What's that, Matt?
What?
Tom is like,
Oh,
I
you lost.
passed, who cares?
For me?
Yeah.
What?
Did you
The
say you
equation
lost?
I'm looking at that you've
No.
written.
Pascal is there.
Easy.
I'm sitting
Fuck you.
here.
I think they need a timeout, personally.
How did you time out?
Oh, what's wrong one? Wrong one!
Oh, look.
Why is all their messages being
Sam timed them out.
Guys, we literally need to walk in and put our name on the thing. No need for all of this. Well, that escalated.
Okay, let's continue the question.
Goodbye, Tom. And
They'll come back. It's only a timeout. They can just refresh.
How come your so the equation? Okay, never mind.
No, just
no,
say
I
it.
was talking.
Because it doesn't seem to follow the trapezium rule equation that you put in your notes.
It follows mine. The one I just put here.
Have you got a different equation for trapezium rule?
Yeah,
It works out the same.
this is easier to me because I'm used to it. This is the way we learn in A-level maths. The one I'm using on
But I
Extreme.
think maybe we should just cater to what he's taught us. So
Uh,
do it the way
Yeah,
he's
because it's
taught
going
us
to
to.
conflict.
What,
We're still
that-
going to be
Was that
looking at your
A-level
notes.
first year or second year?
first.
I
Oh, I
think
didn't
it's.
do it in
I
my.
can't
I
remember.
didn't do it in
It was
first year,
C2.
thanks.
Nah.
Oh yeah, I bunked my lesson because I passed the exam.
Well, great. Well, we could use his method, but his method's messed up, and like, yeah, we could, but I get what it means, but no.
Yeah, but do it their way because the majority of people have learnt it that way.
Yeah.
I
It's
can
very
even learn
I know the
from there.
only really dodgy part in that equation is the sum of f of x I, which is just the sum of
This means it
all
will
the-
go until n minus 1, and it's the sum of always adding 1. So it's an iteration of 1. That's
Of-
why it has
well,
an x I.
of the upper limits between a and b. So like
Yeah,
there.
there.
Yeah, okay.
Mine is the same. Mine is just rearranged in a way that's easier to calculate at the end. Because instead of timesing by a half straight away, you do half at the end. And then you just times the inside by 2. So when you times it by half, you'll cancel out the 2, basically. That's what it does. I think I'm gonna write it down somewhere.
Yeah, that would be helpful if we see the equation.
Okay, I'll do it here then. Let me check the stream to see how it looks. So let's write down an equation. So the trapezium rule, I'm just going to do TR again, of H over the 2 F of x0 plus 2 times f. Let's do this way. Plus 2 f. Oh, I forgot the brackets there. I'm trying to make this easier for people. I hope it is. And then it goes up until like 2 fx n minus 1. Okay, that looks weird. Oh, I know why. Plus f x to the power of n, which is the last one.
Someone got a scope.
I know, I heard.
Someone should have put headphones in.
Yeah, that's just the formula I'm using.
Plus.
So, yeah.
What's that dot dot dot?
It means the values will keep on going until you reach x minus
Shouldn't that
1.
be n?
Oh,
Yeah,
so
but-
that's your sum thing.
No,
Wait, what?
you see, basically, the values will keep on going in there.
Until you reach n. So if you have like 8 values, it'll
Okay.
go 1, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8. Yeah.
I just saw a
So that's just
problem
easy way
with
of saying
this formula.
So you start off at x0, then 2 of that, 2 of that, 2 of 3, 2 of 4, blah blah blah.
There is an error. But it's not a big error. Nah, never mind, it's fine. You understand what I mean. But, I think...
It looks a lot more crazier than what he's given us, I think. But
sure?
go on.
Because, look, this is what it gives us. This is the formula it gives us. I'm going to copy and paste it to PowerPoint as well. So...
This formula's not that hard.
essentially what I've done is the triangle, which is an increment symbol equation. So the increment increment x equals to h over 2 yeah, I don't think that makes sense, but still. What part of the equation don't you understand?
Matt, what
It's
don't
just
you
the dot 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 bit. I just find
No,
it
that means
but...
it will keep on going.
Yeah, I know it keep on going. Yeah, but
That's why it's there.
the thing is though is that in the exam they'll give us the other equation and not
Yeah.
your equation.
I know, but it's the same thing.
I know,
if-
but how are you expecting people to remember it?
I'm not expecting you to remember it. I'm just saying this is an easier way to do it.
Yeah, but they'll have to use it, so they have to remember about it to use it, won't they?
Well, I have to remember it myself. Why can't other people remember?
Because they're not.
Because
also
they're not
like
you,
people.
Carlos.
No, it's not because they're not me. If I can
It's
remember, I'm
you
pretty sure
guys.
everyone else can. It's not that hard to remember. It's just h over 2, and then the first value you don't times by 2, the middle value you times by 2, and the last value you don't times by 2 as well. So the first and last value you don't times by 2, the middle values you do. That's it.
Yeah,
And
all
then,
you're doing is replacing that. You're just timesing those by 2. Timesing everything by 2, basically.
Yeah.
it is easier at the end when you actually have to do the calculation. Because if you want to start with doing halves at the start, you get values in fractions, and I try to avoid those because it just makes it harder at the end. But obviously, I can do both if you want. But to find that,
That's up to the people to decide if they want both.
I'm pretty sure that you can just see what I mean, because you see that that one is not divided by 2. You see on where there's a triangle, it's not divided by 2. But then you'll have a half at fx0,
Yeah.
because that means the half that I've got on h was already times by on the inside, and that's why the sum of n minus 1 iterations of 1 is not times by 2.